Hi, my name is Brian Young. I'm with ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. You know, they always say that I talk too fast, so I'm just going to step down here a little bit and just kind of talk to you about a new item that I have. Well, actually, it's not a new item, but I forgot to list it. And this is basically one of my 1/5 scale. This is a 1/5 scale two-wheel drive gasoline desert truck. Now I have one left of the 4-wheel drive desert trucks, and then they're gone. I only have one more of these left, and this is the 2-wheel drive, and this is basically IMX 15930, or the FS Racing item number FS10904. And this is an unboxing. I'm going to take the lid off, so everybody prepare to be amazed by the size of this car.
What's wrong with your forehead?
So, forehead?
Well, yeah, it's all wrinkled up.
Okay, so this is the remote control, and this is the 1/5 scale car.
Wow.
All right. I only have one of these left.
Wow.
That is the body. This is all gas generated. Now, there are no returns on these. This is a sold as is, okay? But it's never been out of the box. It still has the zip ties that are holding it on. It comes, this is a gasoline powered. It has the complete instruction manual with all parts. It's a gasoline powered RC car. Okay, before starting the engine, it gives you all your specifications for starting the car. It's 1/5 scale. A lot of metal parts, a lot of gears, metal gears. It's just a great. Now, these cars originally sold for about $999. That's about $1,000 to $1,200. This car, I'm going to have it on sale, okay, at ProTinkerToys.com. I only have one of them, and you're going to have a special price of $599. That's right, $599. I have only one of them, and it's black, okay, and it is as is sold. Okay, I cannot take these as returns because it's a closeout. Okay, so this is basically the car. It comes with a remote for your operation of it. Yeah, that, huh? What? So this is your remote, because it is a remote control car. Okay, that's your remote with your charger. It comes with a charger to charge because you have I don't think you have a battery in here. No. Trying to see if there's a battery. You know, I'm not an expert on these cars, but I thought that there was a battery to control this that's built inside, but I don't think so. I think it's more for the remote. So this is the remote, and this is the charger for it, and this is the car. This is the two-wheel drive, and it's gasoline powered. It's 1/5 scale. 1/5 scale. This thing is just a sweet of a car. I mean, you want to do some racing, and this is the car that you're going to want to do it in. I do have limited parts that I can get, so if you see any parts on here that you want to get, you know, in case you want to have them in spare parts, it does have one battery here, which is the item 511377. And that is probably to get her electric, because it's a start here. I'm trying to figure out why the battery would, because you're going to start it here. I think no, that's not it. See, I'm not an expert on these cars, so I couldn't tell you exactly. But if you're buying it, you're going to know basically how it works, and it's brand new. It's literally never been what?
This is the 2-wheel? Is the 4-wheel?
This is the 2-wheel. I only have one 2-wheel left. That's why it's only $599. This one right here is a 4-wheel drive, and I have only one of those left.
Same body, or?
No, the body is different on the 4-wheel drive. I think it's a blue and yellow or red one. So this is the IMX IMEX two-wheel drive. This is two-wheel drive. So make sure you know this is two-wheel drive. We only have one left. Okay, and this is a sweet deal. You'll have a lot of fun with this car. IMX. The body is a Lexan body. It'll come in this box, multiply rapid taped, so that it'll come in a good shape. But again, remember, I cannot offer any refund on this car, but I do guarantee that nothing's broken when you get it. Okay, and so it's all going to be ready to go. Basically, this is how it all comes when it came from the factory. There we go. And your manual is right in there. And it's going to come just like this. It's all going to come taped, wrapped, and it's going to be basically like this. But it's not going to have these. It's all going to be taped because I've opened it. So this is the two-wheel drive, 1/5 scale. ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Thank you and have a great day.